And there's no callback number on the slip. Huh? Well, there's exigent circumstances, man. We're going to have to kick that door in.
Yeah.
We got to wait for the sergeant. Hey, Sarge, we got an exigent circumstance in here. This female is screaming for help.
There's one going inside there. Fine, she came to the door.
Everybody be ready. Hey, we're going to have to kick this door in.
She just ran to the door, and I think he grabbed her and pulled her away.
We could hear that. We're going to have to kick...
No.
Who has the shield?
SPD! Let's keep going. Where's that knife?
Who has the shield?
None of us do. Open up!
Guys, give me the knife, Chief.
The what?
Come on. Sit down.
We got pretty good cover.
Can you get some eyes on the patio?
I'll go down there.
The apartment's on the west side of the building.
What we got?
We're going to look at the patio. She said apartment's on the west side. Where's that? This side? No, it's on this side. No, it's on this side. Let me see. He's on the balcony! He's got a gun!
Don't got no gun!
I see a gun in your hand. Drop it.
Don't got no gun!
You got a gun. Drop it.
Don't got no gun!
Son, he's coming on the balcony! He's on the balcony! He's on the balcony. He's got a gun. Sir, drop. Hey, he's on the balcony, guys. Second floor. Sir, I'm going to shoot you. Hey, you guys hear me? He's on the balcony, second floor with a gun. Hey, Sarge, do you hear me? Sir, you pick up that gun, I'm going to drop you.
Have a gun!
You have a gun, I saw it. He's on the second floor balcony with a gun. I will shoot you. Here he is. I will shoot you. Stop right there. Stop.
Don't have a gun! Bam, I got
Shot fire, son.
He's running around. He's in a parking lot running over the fence.
Cannot help you unless you listen. Are you shot?
Yes, sir, I'm shot.
Okay. Hands all the way out. Put that left hand out. On your stomach, hands out. Okay, I'm coming. Hands all the way out. I need to see him, okay?
Sir. He's hurt.
HFD up. You're already injured. I'm into custody. Hands now. Hands now. Hands. Do it now. I can only help you if you give me your hands.
Sir, you're going to die.
I'm not going to let you die, all right? I have to secure you, though, okay? Give me your hand. Give me your hand.
Okay.
I need you to. You need to listen. I want to save you, but you got to listen, all right?
Sir. Sir,
Where are you shot? Where are you shot?
I'm on butt.
Where?
On butt.
Okay. Roll.
Sir, I never shot you in my life. Sir, please.
Where are you hit?
I'm a
In your
butt.
leg or your stomach?
I'm a butt.
Okay.
My left.
All right. Relax. I gotta take these off, all right?
Okay. Sorry.
I know. Take a breath. Take a breath. What's your name? What's your name?
Sir, I can't breathe.
Suspect detained. He's bleeding out of his back. What's your name? Stay with me, okay? Hey, stay awake. Stay awake. Don't go to sleep on me, love. Don't go to sleep. Shot you down. Right here. I'm trying to chest seal it. Give me some. Let me slow it down. Yep. Okay.